everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited. This is the Lunar New Year celebration in Seattle Chinatown, and actually I'm a volunteer today. I'm going to take some photography for the over 40 vendors in this food walk today, and I'm going to try some Chinese food, Korean food, Japanese food, and even more. I'm so excited. Let's go. Wow, so for this Lunar New Year food walk, they have a bunch of $6 meal that we can get all over Chinatown. And our first stop, yes, I have to come back to dimsumking, and look at this $6 portion. It's huge. So they have an egg tart, shumai, and this is the dumplings with meat and peanuts and a bunch of noodles. Let me try the noodles first. Not oily and a little bit salty, but not too bad. Look at this shumai. It's so big. Wow. Actually, it's very juicy. And let me try this dumpling. Wow. I love the water chestnuts and the peanut. And lastly, I'll try the egg tart. This is not the usual flaky egg tart, but this is the buttery egg tart. It's easier to make, but still very nice. Wow, look at Chinatown today. There are so many people, and I haven't seen this kind of popularity for a long time. I think the Chinatown really need that boost because a lot of small businesses was suffering during the pandemic, and now it seems like it's all thriving again, and the area is being cleaned. So I love it. Wow, the second stop that I'm going to go is the Chung Chung Hot Dog. Actually, they are located inside Mochi Nut. So wow, it's very popular. Let's take a look. Oh, so this is the second stop, Chung Chung Hot Dog, and I got this volcano hot dog. Let's get some sauce. I will have some sweet red chili. Ooh, gochujang. Maybe some mustard. All right, let's try it. Wow. The breading is very fluffy and crispy, and they are added a layer of sugar, and it's not too spicy. So let me have one more bite. I like it. All right, we are at our third stop, which is the Hood Famous Cafe and Bar, and the $6 special today is called the Dragon Fruit Fire Drink. So I'm going to taste it, but this place is very popular and they have a lot of cheesecake. Hey, I got my dragon fruit fire drink. Look at how pretty it is. Not too sweet, and a little bit of dragon fruit flavor. And looks like the milk that they use is really light. This is definitely a very refreshing drink. Okay, so the last stop that we are at is Uwajimaya, and we are going to try two Japanese desserts. So one is the Dochi, which they have the mochi donut, and the other one is a Taiyaki place. So let's go. Wow, so the taiyaki took a really long time in order to come out because there was such a long line. So hopefully it's worth the while to wait. Wow. The red bean is very creamy, but I would say the outer layer is not crispy enough because they really don't have the time to cook it properly. Wow, so this is the I love matcha. Oh, okay, I'll just eat it. Oh my god! Well, apparently it's oozing. It has a very strong matcha flavor. Actually, it's a little bit bitter. I definitely like the red bean one better, but this one is pretty good. Oh, this final dessert food walk spot that we went to is called Dochi, and they are very good at making Dochi mochi donut. And this one is called the taro pebble balls. It's so purple. Can you hear how crunchy it is? It's good, but it's not chewy enough. I wish they add a little bit more mochi inside this donut. Wow, I haven't seen so many people in Chinatown or so many people in Seattle. So this is definitely a blown out event, and I tried so many different foods, and there were so many vendors that I wasn't able to try. So when you come to Seattle next time, come to Chinatown and try the different food here, because there's so many variety from Chinese, Korean, Japanese, Filipino, and Thai. I hope you like the video, and let me know how do you like this experience and what are the other places that you want me to try. Thank you. Bye.